Easter creates £50 million opportunity for growth in MPD. So this year we're seeing a lot of classic comfort foods with like traditional bakes like the monkey bread, or sharing and individual portions of things which is easy to grab and easy to share between people. We're jazzing it up with exciting and adventurous flavours to battle food boredom, really. Okay, so one of the main dishes that we're seeing quite a lot is hot cross buns with this adventurous and exciting flavours. We've got Biscoff and Jaffa cake influences, a lot of clementine influences, so we've got like the orange flavours and chocolates, and this idea of like hyper-indulgence. We've got a modern twist on the rocky roads. We've added mini Easter eggs, and we've added cranberries too, just to give it a wee extra bit of sweetness and to tap in that hyper-indulgence. And what also we're seeing is the influence of spice and unusual pairings of herbs and stuff. So Jacksons of Yorkshire did tea-infused hot cross buns. There's salted caramel, brambly apple, some gluten-free options and vegan options. We have the extremely chocolatey hot cross buns that M&S do, and they're promoting that with as like an ice cream hot cross bun sandwich. You've got ice cream in the middle, so this is really different, and again combating that food boredom. And another pairing that we're seeing is quite unusual and adventurous combo. So that's a dark chocolate cake with avocado frosting, a beetroot cake I've seen with darker milk drizzles on top of it. With the oncoming spring and brighter days and all the flowers, we've got a strong botanical influence, so that gives the items a sense of luxury and is also comforting. So I've seen quite a lot of pistachio cakes with rose and hibiscus syrup. I've seen a lot of clementine cakes with basil ganache or like lemon drizzle, and I've seen a lot of international influences, so I'm sure many of us want to tap into that because we don't really get a holiday this year. So we've seen influences from Japan, so I've seen wasabi cakes, cherry blossom flavours, donuts with yuzu custard as a filling, and Indian spices such as like rose, saffron, cardamom, nut flavouring, and also traditional jaggery which is used to replace sugar.